two, 1 2. Look. On the real, all these rap perpetrators is really impersonating facades for signatures on the line for a deal. I figured I took this moment in time to tell them niggas they time is minimal, so lyrically I reveal one of the best, mixing talent with skill. Reality, mentality, ghetto, my clarity ill. Hard scarred like facial features on seal. Still my elevation of life is education to kill. Think for a minute, you win it now. The lyrical, spit it legendary, revelation ain't biblical. You hear it now. It's harmonizing like choir singing spirituals. I remember that feeling, it's been a while. Fucking audience is speechless. This is something I learned without a father to teach this. So if you've been in these same shoes to sway me, you paid dues. Now do me a favor, repeat. From the baby to the kid to the man to the king. You wouldn't understand from the bottom of the hells to the heavens to the rapper that's soon to be a legend. Soon to be a legend. Soon to be a legend. I equate to the ones that did it for years. They honor me beginning with toasts and ending with cheers. Drinking every drop of the champagne. My campaign slogan is to spit it till they mimic your last flame. Then you gotta son them, nigga, give them your last name. Allowance allowing niggas to mirror your past pain. Cash came, then they start acting funny until you spit a written that shattered success. Lyrically blaspheme. Look me in my eyes when you speak that. You eating a nigga's food, that Bon Appetit rap. Hire me, empower me. You are not beneath that, which means them criminal boss, we do not believe that. I perceive that you was biting my notepad, so every time you spit it, you recollecting the ghost past. Executives is really promoting the most fast. I see it everywhere, next to they label like Coach. From the baby to the kid to the man to the king. You wouldn't understand from the bottom of the hells to the heavens to the rapper that's soon to be a legend.